seat. Good afternoon to all the delegates of different countries and welcome to the first month session of this Vidyalaya. We will now start this session, proceed with roll call. Dear delegates, after hearing your roll call, country's name, raise your placard and say either present or present and voting. Delegate of India,
Present, ma'am.
Delegate of China,
Present, ma'am.
Delegate of USA,
Present and voting, ma'am.
Delegate of Bhutan,
Present, ma'am.
Delegate of UK,
Present, ma'am.
Delegate of Indonesia,
Present, ma'am.
Delegate of Nepal,
Present, ma'am.
Delegate of Sri Lanka.
Present and voting, ma'am.
It is the time for the motion to set the agenda. Are there any motion on the floor? Are there any motion on the floor? Delegate of USA, you have been recognized. To what point you raise?
Motion to set the agenda, ma'am. The delegate of USA would like to raise a motion to set an agenda the Rohingya refugee crisis.
Granted, delegate. So what would you like to set the agenda for today's session?
The delegate of USA would like to raise a motion to set an agenda the Rohingya refugee crisis.
Thank you. Delegate, this is an order. Any delegate against this motion? Seeing none. Delegate, now we move to the final session with the agenda set as the Rohingya refugee crisis. We now move into the speaker list in alphabetical order. The first country that could be invited to present the speech is the delegate of China. Delegate, you have 90 seconds. Please begin.
The Rohingyas are basically a religious sect of the Sunni Muslim who have been denied their native land, Rakhine, Myanmar. Standing as of now, they are the most persecuted section of all across the world. They have been denied citizenship and persecuted thoroughly by the strong military forces. So, opinion of China is that the Rohingya issue should not be internationalized and it should be dealt with harmony and cooperation between two nations, Myanmar and Bangladesh. We realize that the inhuman atrocity made it out to the Rohingyas are intent on cooperation and it must come to oppose. Now I would like to ask a question. Are we so blind that we cannot see the inhuman atrocity made it to the Rohingyas? Thank you.
Thank you. The delegate of China. Any delegate wishing to ask question, please raise your placard. Seeing none. We next have the delegate of India. Delegate, you have 90 seconds. Please start.
Good afternoon, and I am the delegate of India. Now, according to the estimate, the Indian government says that around 40,000 Rohingya refugees are staying here illegally. But India does not support this. The Indian government has taken a clear stand of not allowing them to stay here because first of all the question of security comes, and secondly, India is a developing country and its sources are far less than the population. So we are unable to satisfy the needs of our own country's men. Then how can you accept us to satisfy the need of others? So from the point of view, we can provide few additional assistance, but we are not in a situation to provide them shelter. Thank you.
Thank you. The delegate of India. Any delegate wishing to ask question, please raise your placard. The next delegate of UK debate delegate, you have 90 seconds. Any delegate wishing to ask question, please raise your placard.
Should I call?
Ma'am, how do you justify that only on the basis of economy you are not allowing the Rohingya for shelter?
In my speech, I already mentioned that there are 40,000 Rohingyas have been accommodated in the various parts of our India. India has been provided 700 times of relief assistance to Bangladesh and willing to provide more monetary help. You know that India is the second highest population country in the world, but Bangladesh is not. So how do you think that India will provide home shelter to 1 million Rohingyas population? Thank you.
Thank you, the delegate of India. Next, the delegate of UK. Delegate, you have 90 seconds.
Good afternoon, ma'am. On 14 September 2017, India launched the project Insaniyat, in which it sent resources to the refugees of Bangladesh. This is to indicate that India does not want to keep the refugees in its country. China also support Myanmar. China says the international community should support the effort of Myanmar to safeguard in the stability of national development. Thank you.
Thank you, the delegate of UK. Any delegate wishing to give comment on it? The delegate of China, followed by the delegate of USA.
It was not clear what UK is doing for the crisis. He had mentioned about what other countries think and about other countries' foreign policy.
Thank you, the delegate of China. Now, the delegate of USA.
The delegate of USA has been surprised by the way the UK has been telling in such a situation. In order of presenting positive solution to sort out, the delegate of UK is simply questioning what other countries have done or without looking on.
Thank you, the delegate of USA. Now, it is the time to move for moderate caucus. Are there any motion on the floor? The delegate of USA, followed by the delegate of UK.
The delegate of USA proposes to raise a motion to move into unmoderated caucus for total time 10 minutes for the purpose of lobbying.
Okay. Noted, delegate of USA. Next, the delegate of UK government.
The delegate of UK proposes a motion to move into the moderate caucus for the total time period of 10 minutes, with first speaker time 1 minute for the purpose of discussing the safety of Rohingya refugees.
Noted, delegate of UK. Delegate. Now, we move into the voting for moderate caucus suggested by the delegate of UK. The moderate caucus topic is to discuss the safety and security of Rohingya refugees that are affected by Rohingya refugee crisis. Total time is 10 minutes and first speaker is 1 minute. Those who are favoring this topic, please raise your placard. All those against this topic? Okay. So, we will move into the motion suggested by USA for unmoderate caucus. Total time is 10 minutes. Now, you can prepare your draft resolution. Time is over. Delegate, please take your seat. Please submit your draft resolution by sponsor. Now, I am going to read the draft resolution sponsored by Indonesia. After reading this draft resolution, Delegate, please raise your placard. Those who are favored to this topic. Draft resolution sponsored by Indonesia. Myanmar take urgent measures combat incitement of hatred against the Rohingya in Rakhine, Kachin and Shan state of this country. It expressed alarm at the continuing influence of Rohingya Muslims into Bangladesh. The second point is, the Assembly has called on the Myanmar government to immediately remove the statelessness and discrimination practiced against the Rohingya Muslims. Those who are favored to this topic, please raise your placard. Okay. Next draft resolution is sponsored by Bhutan. I am reading this draft resolution. After reading this draft resolution, delegate, please raise your placard. Those who are in favor to this draft. Draft resolution sponsored by Bhutan. The first point is, the UN General Assembly has called for an immediate stop to fight and hostilities in Rakhine State. It added that unarmed individuals in Rakhine State have been and continue to be subjected to the excessive use of forces and violation of international human rights law by securing forces. And the second point is, Myanmar must create conditions for the state and voluntary return of this Rohingya refugee to the country. It noted that the Rohingya had twice refused the return to Myanmar from Bangladesh because of absence of this condition. Those who are in favor to this draft, please raise your placard. Majority of people accepted this draft. Okay. From this discussion, the committee have finalized the draft resolution sponsored by Indonesia and Bhutan. This draft resolution was accepted by majority of these people in the session. And the point that Myanmar take urgent measures combat incitement of hatred against the Rohingya in Rakhine, Kachin and Shan state and hostilities in Rakhine state. Third point is, it added that all armed individuals in Rakhine state have been and continue to be subjected to the excessive use forces and violation of international human rights law by security forces. Next is, the Assembly has called on the Myanmar government to immediately remove the statelessness and discrimination practiced against the Rohingya Muslims. Myanmar must create conditions for safe and voluntary return of all Rohingya refugees to country. It noted that the Rohingya had twice refused to return the Myanmar from from Bangladesh because of absence of conditions. At last, I conclude this session. Thank you all delegates for your support and valuable time and valuable suggestion to sort out the problem of Rohingya Muslims. Thank you so much.